Let's learn English through short family conversations with vocabulary and listening questions. Caring for flowers.
The flowers need to be watered every day.
I will water them after school today.
That's great. Remember, don't give them too much water.
How much water should I use?
Just enough to keep the soil moist, not wet.
Okay, I understand.
Also, make sure the flowers get enough sunlight.
Can I plant new flowers soon?
Yes, we can plant some roses next weekend.
I love roses.
They are beautiful and smell nice too.
I'm excited to help with planting.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Water. To pour water on plants to help them grow. Moist. Slightly wet, but not too much. Plant. To put seeds or plants into the soil to grow. Your listening question is: what kind of flowers will they plant next weekend? Answer: they will plant roses. Learning simple cooking.
Today, I will teach you how to make a sandwich.
Yay! I like sandwiches.
First, take 2 slices of bread.
Okay, I have them.
Now, put some cheese and ham between the slices.
Done.
Next, you can add some lettuce and tomato.
I love tomatoes.
Finally, cut the sandwich into 2 pieces.
I did it.
Great job! Let's eat your sandwich now.
Thank you, Mom. Cooking is fun.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Slice. A thin, flat piece of something. Lettuce. A green leafy vegetable used in salads and sandwiches. Cut. To use a knife to make something into smaller pieces. Your listening question is: what is the last step in making the sandwich? Answer: the last step is to cut the sandwich into 2 pieces. Morning exercise.
Good morning. Are you ready for our morning run?
Yes, Dad, I'm excited to exercise today.
It's important to warm up before running.
How do we warm up?
Let's start with some stretching exercises.
Okay, I'm stretching my arms now.
Great. After that, we will jog slowly.
How far will we run today?
About 2 kilometers.
That sounds good for a start.
Remember to drink water after running.
I will. Let's begin now.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Exercise. Physical activity to stay healthy. Stretch. To extend your body parts to prepare muscles. Jog. To run slowly. Your listening question is: what will they do after stretching? Answer: they will jog slowly. Baking a cake.
Today, we will bake a chocolate cake.
That sounds delicious. What do we need?
We need flour, eggs, sugar, and cocoa powder.
Can I crack the eggs?
Yes, but be careful not to get shells in the bowl.
Okay, I will try.
Now, mix all the ingredients well.
How long do we bake the cake?
About 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.
I can't wait to taste it.
It will be ready soon.
Thank you for teaching me, Mom.
You're welcome, dear.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Bake. To cook food in an oven. Ingredient. A food item used to make a dish. Mix. To combine different things together. Your listening question is: what does the daughter have to be careful about when cracking eggs? Answer: she has to be careful not to get eggshells in the bowl. Planning a birthday party.
Mom's birthday is coming up next week.
Yes, we should organize a memorable celebration for her.
Do you think she would like a surprise party?
Absolutely, she really enjoys surprises.
Where do you think we should host the party?
Hosting it at home would be convenient and cozy.
Good point. We can decorate the living room beautifully.
I'll buy some balloons, streamers, and fresh flowers.
I'll take care of baking the cake and preparing snacks.
Should we invite some of her close friends and relatives?
Definitely. Let's create a detailed guest list.
I'm really excited to start planning everything.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Memorable. Worth remembering, special. Host. To organize and hold an event. Relatives. Family members. Your listening question is: where do they plan to hold the birthday party? Answer: they plan to hold the party at home. Helping with homework.
Do you need assistance with your homework this evening?
Yes, Dad. I'm struggling with some complex math problems.
Let's work through them together step by step.
This question about fractions is particularly confusing.
Fractions represent parts of a whole number. Let me explain further.
Oh, that clarifies it a lot.
Now, try solving this example on your own.
All right, I'll give it a try.
Well done, you're making excellent progress.
Thanks for your help, Dad.
Anytime, remember, consistent practice is key to improvement.
I'll keep practicing regularly.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Assistance. Help or support. Struggle. To have difficulty doing something. Consistent. Doing something regularly. Your listening question is: what topic is the son having difficulty with? Answer: he is having difficulty with fractions. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.